This is the startup video for the CNC plasma cutter. First step, turn on the light for the booth. Silver light switch on the wall, flip it up. And now we're gonna go inside the plasma booth. This is the actual plasma cutting torch. We're gonna turn this on. It is not on because we don't see any lights on the front display. The power switch is located on the back side right here with this big lever. You're going to turn it so the line is facing up. It is already connected to the air supply and already plugged into the wall, and that big electrical switch is always in the on position. Now we need to turn on the CNC table. Here's the control box. You're going to twist and pull to the left. It's kind of a firm pull out the emergency stop. You should hear a little bit of a buzzing noise when this gets turned on. The ground clamp should be attached to the table. Sometimes it's attached to the metal. You need to turn on the torch height controller. No red lights, meaning it's off. Switch is in the back. Turn on the computer. Turn on the plasma exhaust to auto. Once Windows has loaded, you're going to open up SheetCAM. Going to minimize SheetCAM and open up Mach 3. And that's the startup procedures for the CNC plasma table.